Hi everyone, this is Inder again from IK's Canal Gardens. Today I'm going to share another creation of mine, which is a waterfall creation. Of course includes a real plant. So this is an art style, rain style of Buddha waterfall, and as we all know that Buddha is a symbol of humanity, peace and courage. So I personally am a very big fan of all sort of Buddha statues and fountains. So you see a lot of those things in my creations. So this particular set is built on a long bronze come gold colored big bowl on a pedestal. And of course includes lots of air purifying plants, all real plants, and comes with decoration of river stones and a beautiful scented candle, and the creation includes everything you see. So here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to buy this creation, look at the link below. It's in the description. See you next time.